Even the most bulletproof engine or transmission will fail early if the basics of maintenance are ignored. Unlike catastrophic breakdowns, maintenance problems are predictable, preventable, and inexpensive compared to engine rebuilds and gearbox replacements. The irony? Most car owners overspend on cosmetic fixes, but drag their feet on fluids and filters, the very items that determine longevity, fuel economy, HVAC health, and safety. Let's break down the core service items, real expert intervals, and the consequences of delaying them. Coolant does more than prevent overheating. It protects the cooling system from corrosion, pump cavitation, and electrolysis that eats aluminum components alive. Most OEMs recommend a change every 3 to 5 years or 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on coolant chemistry. The problem is that long-life coolant isn't immortal. Over time, its inhibitors deplete, acidity rises, and sludge can start forming, clogging radiators and heater cores. Neglect leads to water pump seal failure, internal corrosion, thermostat sticking, and expensive cooling imbalances that mimic head gasket failure symptoms. The rule of thumb from experts: treat coolant by chemistry, not mileage. If it's orange 08, pink HOT, or blue Asian phosphate blend, stay in the 4-year zone regardless of claims printed on the bottle. Engine air filters are typically due every 10,000 to 20,000 miles or yearly. Cabin air filters every 8,000 to 15,000 miles. Fuel filters 15,000 to 40,000 miles depending on fuel quality and filter design. Dirty engine filters restrict airflow, reduce throttle response, richen fuel mixture, increase carbon deposits, lower MPG, and wear MF sensors. Neglected fuel filters cause lean misfires under load, noisy fuel pump strain, rail pressure drops, and premature pump death, especially in diesels. Cabin filters are ignored the most, leading to mold growth, allergen accumulation, HVAC blower stress, and foul AC odors. This one separates the informed from the reckless. Most belts are rated 60,000 to 100,000 miles or 5 to 7 years. Unlike chains, belts fail with no audible warning. In interference engines, belt failure means instant piston-to-valve collision, engine death in half a second. What's more, belts age faster from oil contamination, heat cycling, and humidity than from driving. Experts consider 6 years the maximum for most climates, even if mileage is low. Warning signs like chirping or visual cracks mean you are already past safe. Delaying this service has the highest cost-to-gamble ratio in maintenance. If there was ever a maintenance item to treat as non-negotiable, this is it. Manufacturer intervals vary from 30,000 to 120,000 miles. Many dealers push the myth that ATF is lifetime filled. It isn't. Heat destroys friction modifiers, varnish builds, solenoids clog, and clutch packs glaze. Symptoms of neglected ATF include flare shifts, delayed engagement, torque converter shudder, and sticky valve bodies, all precursors to full rebuilds. Experts say 40,000 to 60,000 miles for automatics, 60,000 to 80,000 for CVTs using only OEM spec fluid, 80,000 to 100,000 for manuals. Also critical, fluid condition matters more than color. Dark with a burnt smell means clutch material is suspended in it, a ticking time bomb. Standard copper plugs last 15,000 to 30,000 miles, platinum 40,000 to 60,000, iridium 60,000 to 120,000. Worn plugs cause hard cold starts, rough idle, higher coil pack stress, poor combustion, and misfires that accelerate catalytic converter wear. Ignoring plugs doesn't just hurt performance. It shortens coil lifespan and can mislead mechanics into diagnosing expensive faults like injectors or compression loss. Expert recommendation: 70,000 to 90,000 miles in turbo engines, regardless of plug type due to higher heat and pressure. Front or rear differential service is typically needed every 30,000 to 70,000 miles. WD systems often use separate transfer case fluid at 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Gear oil shears, overheats, and loses film strength over time. Neglect causes whining diffs, chattering on turns, in limited slip units, and premature gear wear. In 4x4 trucks that tow, experts recommend the lower end, 35,000 to 45,000 miles. Rotation is recommended every 5,000 to 8,000 miles or every oil change. Unrotated tires develop uneven wear patterns, cupping, feathering, directional noise, and vibrations misattributed to suspension faults. Front tires often wear faster on FWD cars. Rears wear faster on RWD vehicles. Regular rotations also protect tire warranties. Many are void if rotation records don't exist. Maintenance is not about when it breaks. It's about servicing before the decline curve accelerates. Skipping a filter or delaying a belt will not kill the car immediately, but it silently pushes the system toward air starvation, fuel delivery collapse, lubrication breakdown, overheating, and mechanical collision. Smart enthusiasts know a well-documented maintenance schedule doesn't just preserve a car, it protects diagnostics accuracy, resale value, and driving confidence. The road favors the prepared, not the reactive.